E for marketwizards.com and eminywizard.com. Just after 10 o'clock, Friday the 13th, 2019, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Okay, so we're obviously tackling the 10, which is the print low from overnight. And I've got the late close at 08. So if you are on a trailer, we had said this 18, we thought maybe we'll use that for resistance. Longs need to get it back up above that for a push. So we're tackling the double, and I've set the widget. Earlier we set this right here at the 08, so we'd get that true range rather than just the print range. And if we go below this, then we can change that and just put it right back to highs and lows. For now, I think the double, but it's got away with this trade. Second entry, make sure you're paid coming into the double. And you can see not much energy above our middle at 1575. So we're coming into the heart of yesterday's pipe. Be aware of that if you're short. I was not thinking we would get an all-day sell. Could, but I'm not thinking that way. I'm thinking got to be paid for sure. And here's our pivot point, and here is our rain line that we talked about earlier today that, well, we could come back in here. So this is the right chart for now. And when that happens and we get our rain line here, then I'm going to go back to my next level, which is the 15. Now we're going to look at the 15. And we'll keep in mind that the 10 has been working, and we know where this is now at the 05. So that's our assumed support, as we said pre-market. Assumed support, 05. You can see there wasn't a lot of energy underneath that yesterday. So that's our presumption. May not work, and it certainly doesn't have to touch it. And if it does come here, it could go through it. We're just using an assumption about charts in play. And we also know that you got to get up above this 18 on the 15-minute chart as well. So that's how I use and what I call finding the charts in play, and that's how I scroll. And that's how I migrate one to another. And it's always an educated guess because you just can't trade simply with just moving averages. But you can see how stretched you get. And then you can look at this and you can see the sideways horizontal move in here. Just a little bit of a head fake. And then come back searching for support. Clearly in this box now. And after hours, we're looking for this big idea inside this box rejected. This is our fighting range. Anybody short, tighten up your stops. We're coming into the end of IB in about 15 minutes. I was thinking we'd get a two-way day and that this would be a profit-taking move. And if we get the profit-taking early, it allows the time, the rest of the day to kind of squeegee back up, just like yesterday. We're still inside yesterday's RTH range. Angel from yesterday, demon from yesterday. So all we know is RTH is a range trade. Five-minute chart, over and under. Helpful, but we know support back here going to be rising. We also know a 10-minute chart is going to show something different. We'll look at that again in a couple of minutes. So far the IB belongs to the short side, but I think it's a range type trade. I'm not thinking about a huge move south side. And take what you can out of the swings. That's the name of the game. Be happy and content using this as a business. Here's that double. Anybody that's trying the buy side today, we're using 05 as our stop zone. If you're trying to buy, and think about it as simply a range type trade for now.